Hey guys, here's a new Photoshop tutorial on how to create a knockout effect on your pages using advanced blending. So the first thing that you want to do is open up two different papers, and the background is going to be the paper that shows through your knockout. And then your second paper is going to be the one that you're actually knocking out. On top of that second paper, you're going to want to load a mask or create some type of shape, and that shape or the mask is going to be what is being knocked out from that second paper. So I went ahead and loaded this mask on top of that second paper, and I pulled up my layer style palette. You can do this just by double clicking on the right hand side of your layer in your layer palette. And in the first thing that pops up, change your fill opacity all the way to 0 and change your knockout setting in the drop down menu, change that to shallow. So that's going to set it to knock out through that first paper, and you can see how it's showing behind this palette. You also want to add an inner shadow to that layer just to give it that dimensional quality once it's knocked through. And then click OK. Now that I've applied that effect on my background papers, I went ahead and laid out the rest of my page to show you that you can do this also with text. And so I've typed out Halloween pumpkin, and I've applied the same layer style settings to the text. And the great thing about using your knockout advanced blending is that you're not having to delete parts of the paper, so you can always go back and change it if you need to. So in this case, I decided that I wanted to change the title to Jack-o'-lantern from Halloween pumpkin, and I can do that as easily as retyping it, and it saves all of my knockout settings. Now here's my completed page. You can see how I used the knockout settings on both my mask with the circles and then again on my text. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.